Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 19th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, stocks managed to finish slightly higher today. It's been a real grind here, real tug of war the last few days between buyers and sellers, and we can actually expect more of that heading into the end of the week. I'll touch more on that in a moment, but let's go through the numbers. The Dow finished higher by about 40 points today, while the S&P 500 was up 4.5. The Nasdaq was up 20, was higher earlier in the session and traded lower. And if you look at the chart of the Nasdaq here with all these wicks and tails up here, the body's all very at very similar level here. This really looks like we should see a pullback in the days ahead. The Russell also managing a gain of about 7.5 points and actually putting in a bullish engulfing pattern. So we may see a bounce here. Now, as we get closer into the end of the week, I would expect a wider range. In other words, if you look at these candles recently, in the last few days, they've been very, very small. As we get into the end of the week, volume should tighten up as people start taking time off for the holidays, and you may actually see some wider swings on much lower volume. Won't really mean a whole lot, but expect some more volatility there. Bonds today bouncing up a little over a point, while gold finished higher by about 0.4% or so, and crude at the close was up 22 cents. Now, if you trade forex, if you have a look at the USD CAD pair, recently had dropped pretty substantially here at the beginning of December, but since that rate hike has bounced nicely. And if you look at the weekly chart here, this looks like it's poised to move. Today, it did trade above a Friday's high here, confirming this bullish engulfing pattern, which is known as a reversal pattern. So in all likelihood, we should see higher prices here for the US dollar versus the CAD, and I think we could eventually get back up to this level here at these highs of 1416. But initially, what we'd be looking for is a move back to these highs, which is about 136, okay, on the USD CAD. So again, look for volume to ease up into the end of the week, and look for a bit more movement as we head into the Christmas holiday. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.